Here's how to get an early start on your 2024 tax filings. As much as you want to put it off, deny it, ignore it, or forget it, tax season is just around the corner. Here's a couple things I recommend your today self doing that your future self in March or April is going to thank you for. First of all, if you're in business, I hope that you have a system or a process or an accountant that is keeping your information tax ready all year long, every day, every week, every month. That's a best practice, and you're never going to regret that. Now, if you're in business and you're not keeping things up to date, the next best thing would be to work on it very late in the year. I'm talking about maybe New Year's Eve day or New Year's Day. Just go through your box of junk and get it organized and sequenced and totaled and get those books book kept. Now, if you're not in business, here's what I suggest that you do. Get yourself a tax organizer from your tax accountant, or one thing you can do is just grab a copy of last year's filing and go line by line by line and ask yourself, what am I missing? I'm sure as you look over your tax form, you're going to realize that you're expecting a W-2, and maybe your spouse's W-2, maybe an interest 1099, maybe a dividend 1099, maybe some stock gains or losses, and possibly a K-1 from a business venture or a public partnership, something like that. If you know what you're expecting, you then can make a list and cross it off as it comes in at the end of January and beginning of February. On top of this, I do suggest that you get familiar with the new tax laws for 2024. I've included a link in the description. Check that out. Click that link and educate yourself. For daily IRS updates, tax tips, and everything small business, mash that like button, turn on that notification bell, share with your friends or your business associates. You got comments? Drop them down below. And of course, follow for more. And if you or someone you know are looking to save thousands of dollars every year on your taxes, head over to myfavoritecpa.com to learn the right and legal way to save the maximum amount of tax.